Hey guys, I'm Nick and I'm a video creator. I run the Linux Experiment channel, which in about a year has garnered a little more than 20,000 subscribers, which is still absolutely crazy to me. I try to make concise, to the point and short videos about Linux, privacy stuff, and other interesting open source facts and news. Now, to be honest, I don't need your money. I already have a full-time job, which I have no plans on quitting right now or anytime soon, and while the channel is still small, YouTube revenue is actually okay every month. So the main reason I'm creating this Patreon page is to allow you to express support for what I do, and if I'm totally fair, it's also bringing in another incentive to keep me motivated to create some more content for the channel. Now, running a channel can be quite time consuming and a bit expensive with all the hardware to run the distros and the open source software, with all the audio gear and the storage you need to store your files. So if you enjoy watching what I create as much as I like creating it, feel free to contribute a little bit each month if you can spare a few bucks. That would really motivate me and also make me feel really happy. Obviously, you will get some stuff in exchange for that, and while all my content will still be hosted on the Linux Experiment, all the Linux dedicated content will still be on the channel. I won't hide anything behind a paywall. I'll create some Patreon exclusive stuff, mostly monthly vlogs in which I'll talk about, well, my opinions on some Linux stuff that I haven't had time to create a full video on, but also minimalism, lifestyle, and more personal stuff. Now, since I also like to contribute and I use Kdenlive every day to create my videos, I'd like to bring my viewers and my Patreon subscribers a little bit more of the content I create to make my videos, such as wipes, animations, and also most of the rushes I use to create my videos. So after each upload, I'll post a link on the Patreon page allowing you to download some of the assets and rushes I use to create my video. So obviously I won't include anything I don't have the rights to redistribute, such as anything protected by copyright, and I will probably leave anything with my face or my voice on it out of these folders, but you can still get a nice big library of rushes. I won't put all the rushes for all the videos I created on the channel at first, but I'll add them progressively as time comes, because it can be quite time consuming to review all those files, remove the audio, etc, etc. Now obviously, once you've downloaded some files, even if you stop being a Patreon subscriber, you can keep them and keep using them in your projects. I'll actually redistribute them with the Creative Commons with Attribution license, which only means that if you use them for your project, it would be very nice of you to mention that you got them from the channel somewhere in the description of your video or on the project side notes or thanks, but that's it, you can still use them for any kind of use you want. Now, if neither the vlogs or the rushes for Kdenlive videos interest you, well, that's okay. Feel free to not contribute and keep watching the content I create. It still makes me very happy to have some comments, to have some likes, and to have some discussion with the community, which has been stellar so far. And if you want to support me but don't care about all this extra Patreon specific content, feel free to contribute and completely ignore everything I post on Patreon. That won't hurt my feelings. I hope you'll find value in this, and I hope to see you on the Patreon subscribers exclusive content. In the meantime, I'll stop annoying you and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!